Lights, camera, action! Dive into the world of Adobe After Effects with Jordy Vandeput's beginner-friendly course and discover how to craft jaw-dropping animations and effects. Get an instant 93% discount for the Learn Adobe After Effects for Beginners course at iDesignCourse.com. Course link is available in the description and comments section. Start learning the basics of Adobe After Effects in this complete introduction guide. This class does not cover boring technical stuff, but rather practical examples and real situations. Did you always wanted to make your own movie special effects or motion graphics animations? Then I'll be super excited to introduce you into the wonderful world of Adobe After Effects. By the end of the class, you'll have a complete fundamental understanding of Adobe After Effects and will be able to create your own visual effects and motion graphics. This course is for any enthusiast who's already familiar with basic video editing and likes to learn how visual effects and motion design works. You don't need any pre-knowledge of Adobe After Effects as this class begins from the start. What you'll learn: the user interface and functionalities of the most important panels, masking and compositing, blending and working with stock visuals, tracking, mask, motion and camera, text and shapes, animations and motion design, generated visual effects. Who is this course for? Any enthusiast who's already familiar with basic video editing and likes to learn how visual effects and motion design works. You don't need any pre-knowledge of Adobe After Effects as this class begins from the start.
Above is everything we wanted to introduce you to about this course. For more details, you can click on the link below in the comments section. If you're looking for further development in design, I would like to recommend an excellent resource, iDesignCourse.com. iDesignCourse is an online training website specializing in graphic design, UI/UX, and web programming. Here, you can find high-quality courses taught by industry-leading experts. Visit iDesignCourse.com to explore exciting and engaging courses. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any similar videos in the future. Wishing you a fantastic day, and see you next time.